Good morning, students. So, now the last topic of this chapter. Okay, uh, in this topic, we will deal with the roots of quadratic equation, means their simplification. Okay, ये हमारे चैप्टर का लास्ट टॉपिक है. इस टॉपिक में हम जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की रूट्स है उन रूट्स के सिंप्लीफिकेशन को सीखेंगे. ठीक, एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सपोज आई हैव गिवन द इक्वेशन ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0 एंड I have been given that alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Okay, this is the equation and I am given that alpha and beta are the roots of equation. Okay. ये जो इक्वेशन हमें दी गई है इसके जो रूट्स हैं वो क्या है आपके अल्फा और बीटा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हमें फाइंड करना है द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट इज अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब एंड द सेकंड वन अल्फा बाय बीटा प्लस बीटा बाय अल्फा. ओके, ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें हमें दिया गया है कि इसके जो रूट्स हैं वो अल्फा बीटा है. तब यदि इसके रूट्स अल्फा बीटा हैं तो हमें वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब. सेकंड थिंग हमें वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है अल्फा बाय बीटा प्लस बीटा बाय अल्फा की. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द सॉल्यूशन. We know that what we know. Okay, the sum of roots this I have explained earlier also, है ना. ये चीज मैं आपको पहले बता चुका हूँ. सम ऑफ रूट्स इज माइनस बी अपॉन ए. ओके, सिंस द इक्वेशन इज जनरल फॉर्म सो सम ऑफ रूट्स इज माइनस बी बाय. What the roots are, हमें रूट्स क्या दी गई है अल्फा एंड बीटा. सो सम ऑफ रूट्स दैट मीन्स अल्फा प्लस बीटा विल बी माइनस बी बाय ए. ओके, नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स, we know product of roots is c by a. और रूट्स क्या है हमारे पास अल्फा बीटा. देयरफॉर द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स विल बी अल्फा इनटू बीटा which will be equal to c by a. Okay, so suppose this is first and this is second. Now देखिए ये जो स्टेप्स हैं these are the common steps which you have to do in each problem related to this type. इस टाइप की जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उसमें ये कॉमन स्टेप है. बस चेंज क्या होगा इक्वेशन. अब यहाँ पर जनरल फॉर्म था तो हमारे पास जो अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फा बीटा की जो वैल्यू है वो माइनस बी बाय सी बाय. इफ द इक्वेशन इज डिफरेंट द वैल्यू विल चेंज. ओके, आई विल डू वन क्वेश्चन लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब. See, alpha cube plus beta cube sounds like a cube plus b cube. Okay, so I can write it as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Simple. Now I have value of alpha plus beta which is minus b by a. So instead of alpha plus beta I can write minus b upon a and its cube. Now I also have value of alpha beta which is c by a, so I can write 3 instead of alpha beta I can write c by a, and once again alpha plus beta which will be minus of b by a. Now see, minus b cube will become minus of b cube and the cube of a will be a cube. Similarly, now see, minus into minus become plus and I have multiplied b into c. A into a becomes a square. Now the LCM of a cube and a square will be a cube. Here it will be same minus b cube. Now here it is a square, so I need to multiply one a in order to get a cube. So a will be multiplied here also. देखिए a स्क्वायर a क्यूब का जो एलसीएम है वो a क्यूब होगा. यहाँ ऑलरेडी a क्यूब है तो इस टर्म को एज इट इज यहाँ पर लिखा जाएगा. यहाँ देखिए a स्क्वायर है, सो हमें यहाँ पर a मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. यदि हम नीचे a मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमें ऊपर भी a का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ऊपर हमारे पास क्या बनेगा 3abc. So finally value of alpha cube plus beta cube will be minus of b cube plus 3abc upon a cube. Okay, so now second part. As I told you, जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा कि इस टाइप के सम जब भी आए तो ये कॉमन स्टेप है. सम ऑफ फ्रूट्स और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फ्रूट्स हमें निकालना ही है. अब हमें वैल्यू चाहिए अल्फा बाय बीटा प्लस बीटा बाय अल्फा की. चलिए देखिए, बीटा और अल्फा का जो एलसीएम है वो हमें क्या मिलेगा अल्फा बीटा. नाउ I have beta here, so I need to multiply alpha, and when I will multiply alpha in denominator, that means I have to multiply it in numerator as well. So I will get here alpha square, and here I will get beta square. Now listen, alpha square plus beta square, it can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, यदि आप लोगों को confusion है, if you are getting confused, I can show you how. See, we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This we know. Now I need this a square plus b square. Just take this 2ab towards the left. You have positive here. Here when it comes, it becomes negative. So a square plus b square becomes a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Similarly, I have derived the value of a cube plus b cube as well. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, see, I need a cube plus b cube, so just shift this term to that side, it becomes negative, so I can derive it as well. So come to the question. I need value of alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta whole square, that means minus of b by a and its square minus 2 alpha beta. The value of alpha beta is c by a and value of alpha beta again is c by a. Now see, the square of minus b will be b square, and the square of a will be a square. Here it becomes minus of 2c by a into c by a becomes a by c. Just reciprocal. Okay. LCM of a square and a square or a का LCM a square, b square as it is. I need to multiply one a here into a by c. So a square a can be cancelled out. So the value will be b square minus 2ac upon ac. See next question. We have equation p square x square minus pqx plus q square equal to 0. Alpha and beta are roots of given equation. We need to find the value of alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Okay. So as I told you, जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हम पहले सम ऑफ रूट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स को फाइंड करते हैं. So first of all, sum of roots. Sum of roots, we know what is sum of roots is minus b by a according to general form. Not for this equation, according to general form. What we have b here is pq. Okay, for understanding you can write here a is p square. What I have b is minus of pq and c is q square. Okay, so sum of roots. The roots are alpha and beta. That means alpha plus beta. Minus of b by a. That means minus into b is minus of pq upon a. A is p square. Okay. Properly. So minus into minus become plus. So pq by p square. When p gets cancelled. So the value of alpha plus beta I get is q by p. Now product of roots. According to general form is c by a. Okay. And product of roots is alpha beta. Now according to this question, what c is q square and a is p square. So value of alpha beta is q square by p square. Now what we need to find, हमें पता लगाना है इसमें अल्फा स्क्वायर बाय बीटा प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर बाय अल्फा की वैल्यू. के सो बीटा एंड अल्फा will have LCM alpha beta. I have beta here, so need one alpha, and alpha square into alpha becomes alpha cube. Now here I have alpha, I need beta, so beta will be multiplied, so beta square into beta becomes beta cube. The previous question we have seen alpha cube plus beta cube can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta the whole upon alpha beta. Now see, alpha plus beta, what the value of alpha plus beta is? Q by p. So this can be written as q by p whole cube minus 3 alpha beta. Alpha beta can be written as q square by p square, and again alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta we have is q by p upon alpha beta, which can be written as q square by p square. Now see what I will get. Q cube by p cube minus q square into q, once again q cube, and p square into p cube. So I can write it as 3q cube upon p cube by, okay, we have upon q square by p square. So I can write it reciprocal into p square by q square. Okay, now the LCM is p cube. Q cube minus 3q cube becomes minus of 2q cube, and the LCM is p cube into, I have p square by q square. So p square cube cancel, q square cube cancel. So what I will get is minus of 2q upon p. This is the solution. So with this question, our fourth chapter, that is the quadratic equation, has been finished. I hope you people have completed the notes. Okay, and practice the questions related to this chapter. If any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.